Hey guys, I just finished reupholstering a Corvette C3 seat with volunteer vet seat covers, guys. In this video, I'm gonna review them and you can decide by yourself if they're worth buying. Okay, I'll show you the before and the after first. Okay, so here is the before. As you can see, there's rips all over it, and it has this this material's letting go of this dusty stuff, see? And that is actually coming out of the old seat covers. See all these rips and everything? It's not coming out of the foam. I didn't know that until I did this one. But check out the after. Those look awesome. Look how nice they look. So they basically have everything for these seats. So got the covers from there. Also, they have the backs. See, look at this back. It's all broken, missing a big chunk out of it. So they have the backs. I'm gonna say the backs are good, they fit. They have the covers, the upper part and the lower part. I'm gonna say they're great. They fit incredible. They also have all the different rods you may need. All these were good, everything worked there. The clips for underneath the seats, those worked good. Everything else that you may need, they do sell it all. There's some hog rings, so everything was good. I'm very happy with everything. There is one issue that I had. Oh yeah, and here are the covers. Very nicely made, very solid. Everything was good. Everything was nice. I basically had no issues installing anything except for the foams. So the foams that they sold me, I did manage to get the back one on. So I took the old foam out, put the new foam in. But I found when I was trying to attach the hog rings at the bottom, the foam is just too poofy and I could not get it. So I ended up using zip ties to pull it all on. So with the help of zip ties, I was able to use the upper foam. But when I was doing the bottom foam, oh my God, guys, I gotta tell you, this foam is absolutely massive compared to the original foam. And I mean, I had this thing all together and I just could not wrap it around for the life of me. So I ended up reusing the old original foam for the bottom. So I don't know if they sold me the wrong foam or what, but that's about my only complaint is the foam. Otherwise, these are great. You know what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna take this one apart. I'm gonna start working on it. And once I got the foam out, then I'll show you the difference between the two foams. And you can decide, maybe like I said, maybe they sold me the wrong one. I don't know. Otherwise, that foam was impossible to put in there. And the back foam was doable with zip ties. Okay, I'll see you guys in a few hours. I'm gonna start on this seat. Okay, so I took it apart pretty easy. Took the two tracks off. So you just unclip these. They just pop out. And there's only two hog rings, so I cut them. And this is ready to come off. So I'm gonna pull this off and I'll show you guys that foam. And then you still have to detach the foam from the seat if you're gonna reuse it. From the cushion, I mean. You have to detach the foam from the seat cover, from the leather material. There you go. All right, so there they are, see? I took it out. So see all this stuff? That's not really coming off this, see? I hit it a few times and I can totally reuse this. So I mean, look at the difference here. It's close, but here, let me turn this around. I'm telling you, I tried everything and I could not get the other seat. I couldn't get it on for the life of me. Write it in the comments, guys, if you bought these, if you were able to get them on. See, even this part's here, let me put them back to back. I'm just saying, like, in case you're struggling with this. See, there's a big difference there. Big height difference. Anyways, here, let me switch angles here. I thought I could squeeze it, but I really couldn't. Anyways, whatever. So, write in the comments. Let me know. I'm going to put it all together, guys, and then I'll show you what both the seats look like. But in my case, I am just reusing this. And that is that. Otherwise, I'm going to give these seats a review. But we're going to wait till they're fully done. And then we'll decide if they're worth buying or not. Okay, so I am just working on the other backrest. So I ended up putting in the foam. So I just want to show you guys what I mean. So when you turn it around, see, I had to use zip ties. There was no way I could have used the hog rings. So with zip ties, you can kind of pull it on tight. So I was able to, see, pull these. I was able to pull the sides. It was really tough. Like I had to one at a time go around. See this side too, but at the bottom, I had the same problem on the other seat. See, that's the max. See, that's where the hog rings are supposed to be, in these holes. That's the most I could get it. And I believe it's because of the foam being too fluffy. Like, trust me, like I tried everything. So anyways, when you put the back on this, right? When you put the back on it, it does basically cover everything here, see? So I mean, it doesn't affect anything, so you don't see that. Anyways, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on, I'm gonna put this seat together, and then I'm gonna show you guys what they look like, the final look of them. And then in the comments, guys, if anybody had a similar situation with the foam or the fitment, write in the comments. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin it up to the top. So it's going to be in the top comments. Anyways, okay, let's do this. All right, guys, here they are outside in direct sunlight. So in the end, I'm going to say, I mean, they look like brand new seats. I'm going to say, like, basically, you know, 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10 as far as everything goes here. The only issue I had was the foam part. If you're reusing your old foam, you are good. Also, if you take an angle grinder like this with like a 40 grit sanding wheel, you can, I just watched some YouTube videos on this, you can shave down some of the foam with this to make it a little bit smaller. I was happy with the original foam, so I just kept those. I mean, yeah, look how nice these look. Everything's looking good. All this works. All right, guys, write in the comments. Seat covers from Volunteer Vet, guys. Review and a little bit installation. Thanks for watching. Till next time, everybody.